Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unwrap this. I believe this is some of the eyelashes or eyebrow stuff from my wife that she ordered. So I'm going to unbox it for you guys to check it out. So these are the eyelashes curl from Lash Prodigy eyelash curl, and she got three of different colors. This one's like a rose gold, rainbow, and then black. And here the description. So it says design in New York and made in China. So it comes with two of the silicone replacement pads. And it's made out of stainless and silicone rubber. So yeah, anyway, let's go and then open this up for you guys to check it out. Wow, come with a dust bag, and it says Brilliant Beauty. It's like a satin pouch. And then here you go, it's a black color. And it says Brilliant Beauty on there. So this is made of the silicone rubber right there, and that's interchangeable. There you go, it comes out, and then you can put the replacement on there. See if it's in there or not. I don't see anything there. Oh, it's right here. So it comes with the two of the extra one. I'm not sure it's the same size. Yeah, it looks like a same size, and it's taped on there. Let's go ahead and check out this one, the rose gold. So this is just the same thing, but somehow this one has a Hello Gorgeous. So you got the same bag. And this one's a rose gold. Well, looks pretty nice. You got this tag on here. Yeah, hopefully the black one is not customer return, because it doesn't have this tag. Or this Hello Gorgeous. Oh, it is. No, nothing. So let's go ahead and jump on this rainbow color. So this one doesn't have the Hello Gorgeous either. See if this one has the tag. Probably not. Since this one's the same as the black packaging, so I guess not. Well, yeah, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up and then like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop in a comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.